How to install your front cargo basket. You'll need a 5mm Allen key, a 10mm wrench, and the included mounting hardware. On most models, remove the headlight using a 5mm Allen key and a 10mm wrench. Reinstall the original lock nut to keep the front fender secure. Remove the 4 pre-installed basket mounting bolts using a 5mm Allen key. Line up the mounting holes on the basket with the eBikes basket mounts. Loosely install all 4 bolts with washers to hold the basket in place. Fully tighten the bolts using the 5mm Allen key. The headlight mounts to the tab located on the front of the basket. Gently pull on the headlight wire to create enough slack for mounting. Align the headlight bracket with the mounting tab. Secure it using the bolt and lock nut with a 5mm Allen key and 10mm wrench. Straighten the headlight before fully tightening it down. Your front basket is now installed. On some models, the included bolts may be too short for basket installation. You may need a longer bolt with a spacer to install the basket. Place the spacer in between the basket mount and the basket and secure the basket using a longer bolt. Some models may not have a long enough headlight wire. In these cases, you'll need a headlight extension cable. Disconnect the headlight connectors, noting the positive and negative sides. Connect one end of the extension to the existing headlight wiring. Connect the other end to the headlight, matching positive and negative. With the extension installed, the headlight wire is now long enough to mount the light to the basket.